just to hear the sound of water, just to put the fire on ice. I'm lying down in the shower, oh mercy, loosen my vice. Sometimes the sword is so heavy, and the pain has a ravenous mouth. In the pits of my own making, sometimes I don't think I'll ever get out. Oh, the world stroking their comas, madmen making the news, bent over like a beggar. I was saying it's no use. This ain't the world for intelligent women, unless you like swimming in your own dark sea. These are times for urgent rhymes, but where the poetry? Became a glittering queen. Every light in my direction was a bright, magnificent green, adorned with invisible riches. I saw my stitches glowing so bright. No, the burden was not heavy, for the master it was light. When the